powerful Bible words that will change your life.
God chose you. Before anyone noticed you, God already knew your name. Message: you are not an accident. God created you with purpose, and His choice over your life is not based on people's opinions or your past mistakes. When God calls you, He also gives you the strength to walk in that calling. Do not measure your worth by what others say. Your identity is found in the one who chose you. God has a plan, and He is still shaping your story. Bible verse: you did not choose me, but I chose you and appointed you so that you might go and bear fruit. Gospel of John 15-16. God chose you on purpose. You are seen, loved, and called to something greater. You may feel overlooked, but heaven has already selected you. There are moments when you question yourself, but God does not make mistakes. Message: He sees the potential, the gifts, and the purpose He placed inside you. The same God who called you will guide you, strengthen you, and walk with you. Your past cannot cancel God's purpose. Your weakness does not surprise Him. He chose you, and He is preparing you for what He has planned. Bible verse: before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. Book of Jeremiah 1-5. God's hand is on your life. You are not forgotten. You are chosen. What you lost is not the end of the story.
God is still writing it. Message: there are seasons when it feels like something has been taken from you. Time, opportunities, relationships, strength, or dreams. But the Bible shows us that God is a restorer. He sees what was lost. He knows what was broken. And He is able to bring purpose out of your pain. Your past does not have the final word. God can restore, rebuild, and renew in ways greater than you imagined. Keep trusting Him. What He starts, He is faithful to complete. Bible verse: I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust, the consuming locust, and the chewing locust. Book of Joel 2:25. God is not finished with your life. Your loss is not your last chapter. Restoration is coming according to His purpose. Hold on to God. What you thought was gone forever, He can redeem.
Stop fearing the road ahead. God is already there. Message: you may not know every detail of your future, but God does. He's not asking you to walk alone. He is walking with you. The path may not always be easy, but His presence gives you courage, and His promises give you confidence. What looks like a dead end to you can become a testimony in God's hands. Keep moving forward. He is making a way. Bible verse: the Lord Himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Book of Deuteronomy 31-8. God is ahead of you, beside you, and working for you. Walk with confidence. The way is opening because God is leading you. Message: sometimes God's plan unfolds one step at a time. You may not see the whole picture, but you can trust the one who holds it. Every closed door, every waiting season, and every challenge can be used by God to guide you toward His purpose. Walk with faith, not fear. The one who called you is faithful to direct your steps. Bible verse: trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Book of Proverbs 3-5-6. He has already prepared the way. Your future is not uncertain when God is leading you. You are blessed. Before you see the blessing, God is already preparing the way. Inspiring message. Sometimes it looks like nothing is happening, but God is working behind the scenes. What feels like a delay may be a season of preparation. God knows what you lost, what you need, and the right time to restore what belongs in His plan. Do not let yesterday's disappointment steal today's faith. The same God who carried you through the loss is preparing something new. Trust His timing. He is not finished with your story. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Bible verse: plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Book of Jeremiah 29:11. God is preparing what you can, nothing yet see. Your waiting season is not wasted. He is aligning things for your purpose. My dear, stay faithful. The God who prepared the way before you will prepare what is ahead of you. Please subscribe for more Bible-based words. Thanks for watching.